Okay, so let's have a look at the last provision for McGuigan 2022 exam paper for manufacturing account. So it says depreciation of buildings at a rate of 2% of cost per annum. So for this one, we need to make sure we use the most up-to-date buildings figure. So we had a adjustment for extension that we increased the value of our buildings. So let's go back and have a look. So it was adjustment number 7. So our buildings is 1,012,300. So we're going to take that amount so as part of working 10. We're going to multiply that by the depreciation figure in the question, which is 2%. And that's going to give us this year's depreciation that's going to go into your profit and loss account as an expense. Give us €20,246. That's going to go into your profit and loss. And it's going to go into your profit and loss as part of administration. Then just to check then from the question, do we have any accumulated depreciation already on our factory buildings? So if we look at our factory buildings already, our cost is 89,000. Our value on that is 86,000 or 8,650. Sorry, 890,000 is our cost. Our depreciation then is the difference between these two figures. So we have depreciation already. So we need to find out what is our accumulated depreciation already. So you're going to take 890,000 and you're going to take away 865,000. And that will give you the depreciation that we've paid so far. And what you want to do then is add on this year's depreciation, and that's going to give you accumulated depreciation that goes into your balance sheet. So that's your balance sheet and your tangible asset accumulated depreciation. So it's kind of two parts to that question. Always just look out for that accumulated depreciation on any of your assets. Just have a look in the trial balance to see, is there a difference between your cost and the figure that's recorded in the trial balance. If there is a difference, that difference is because depreciation has been taken away and it's been, your assets are being showed at the value that they are now, not what they were when we bought them. So that's your last adjustment then. So make sure you use the up-to-date figure to calculate your depreciation for this year. That's your expense that goes in your profit and loss account, and then calculate your accumulated depreciation then. That's going to go into your balance sheet. And there the adjustments done. So now it's just to do the manufacturing account and the profit and loss account for part A and prepare the balance sheet then for part B. So hope these help. If you have any questions then please get in contact.